Anyway, that is called user management. I repeat once again, we have to DBS has to create users for developers and testers and senior people also. Some people will be technically team lead or project manager. We need to create, but we have to customize the users. See, for example, there is a tester is there. He is a tester. He want to test it. That's it. You should not give permission, more permissions to the tester. Just select or insert or update like that. Whatever his manager is saying, that permissions you have to do that. A developer is there, a Java developer or .NET developer. They are working, PHP developer. They should, you should not give complete permissions to that person, a developer, what they have. Suppose I have multiple databases, I have 50 databases or how many? That application, which application is belongs to that database, for that only we have to give. We should not allow to different. I'll show you. Suppose I have a finance application. That finance having 5 databases. That finance guys who are working on finance guys, that databases only you have to give that. We should not give a part of that. Developers, some more developers like HR project. HR project only one database. Only on particular one database only you have to give the permissions. That we need to work on that. It's easy concept only, but just I will show you. I'll show you how to create. There is a lot of things we need to see how to create. Creating is easy, and how to customize that you should not allow. How to grant the permission, set of privileges is called some roles. We need to do that. That is also we can do. Don't ask me later how many databases are there. First you can see here. Okay, how many databases? MySql -u -p root 123. Okay, done. Which version? C. Which version? It is showing 5.7. Okay. Now, how many databases are there? Okay. So many databases. Classic models, some DMA, demo, and Monday. Like that, we have that world. Okay, like that we have database. Suppose one application guy is working on classic models. You have to give permissions on classic models only. We should not allow on Monday or 6 a.m. databases. Only you have to give permissions on. Even though if can you have to give select permission, insert permissions only, like that. Maybe what is requirement, based on the requirement we have to give. Once his manager or his team lead has been approved, we can give this type of permissions, means we can give that. Okay, how to create a user? Create a user. Create user name, any username. Developer called Kiran at the rate of local host identify. This is the syntax. Identify by password, whatever password it is. It's created like this. Okay, now one more user. Okay, and how to connect to this guy? How it's connecting? Open one more window. Go here. MySql -u. Sorry, kill root is a super user. He can do anything. Kiran -p password pwd. See, it's connected. That guy is connected. Show databases. Only system database you can able to see that. See, only system database. 1 minute. Okay, he cannot able to see any database, but we didn't given the permissions to him. He can't access the databases. What we need to do? We need to grant permissions to him. Okay, what type of permissions we'll see. Now I want to create one more user. Create user. I'm creating, see that I created a command call. Again, I will create one more user. Create user. Some Manu at the rate of local host identified by password pwd. Same thing, local host. Okay, and now I want to create one more user. Create user Manu only or Manu1 identified by password. Syntax error. Okay, it's done. It's created. Now see this. We created this command and we created this user. Manu also is there and Manu1 also is there. But I created two methods. See this. Create user Manu1 password. Create user Manu at the rate of local host identified by password. Means two users. See, what is the difference? This is interview question. This we'll call it as a wildcard creation. If you create, we have to create like this only. This is not required. This is this. If you want to connect from this system only, means suppose you are at DBA, like a junior level DBA. How you have to connect to this server from putty or something. Okay, you can able to create in this method. If you create like this local host from this machine to this machine, if you are connecting, it will be connected. Okay, this machine from you are connecting from another application to this machine, you have to create like this. Another application means what? He is connecting from PHP application. You have to create like this. He is connecting from .NET application. You have to create like this. Means if you want to connect from another application to this server, you have to create like this. If you are connecting with same machine, okay, same machine means putty are using putty or something like same machine, you can use this one local host. Okay, that is the thing. I repeat once again, if you are connecting from same machine to same machine, you can create like this. If you are connecting from different machine with a different application like PHP, means why? Because of PHP we need to connect like this only, right? We cannot use that. If you are using any PHP application, from there you are connecting. Okay, that from there to connect to the database, right? Application to database. Which application? Any application, php or .NET application, that we need to do like this. Means obviously I can say that if you are using, if you are anybody, developers are there, testers are there, connecting with different applications, different using like methods, we have to create like this only. Okay, select user name comma host, whatever permissions we have, plenty of things that later we'll see. Users, it's it's located, a table is located in MySql. User MySql, it's showing wrong. Go use MySql and show tables. Yeah, user table is there. Describe the user. Select user comma host from user table. See, why we created with local host, all those things. Kiran we created, Manu we created, some Sai already it is there. Percentage wildcard we will call it as a. If you found Manu can able to connect from any other application like PHP or .NET or Java, okay, like this. These people able cannot able to do that. They cannot able, they can able to connect from different host. See, for example, I have a putty application in different location. I'm connecting Sai with Sai, or we created Kiran, right? IP address is 180, 180. See, directly root 1 2 3 MySql -u Kiran, right? Hyphen p, password is pwd. See, it's connecting like this. He can be able to work out, it's not a worry here, because he is connecting with same mission. That is the reason you can use local. But suppose I am connecting from app, any application like php, .NET or Java, like that, then you have to create what I mentioned previously without giving any local host like that. Okay.